Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain about building information system in Capsule 4. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Alina Muzdalifah and my number identity is 344. Okay, let the presentation. Learning objective. To explain how building new system produce organizational change. To describe the core activities in the system development process. To describe the principal methodologies for modeling and design system, to describe the alternative methods for building information system, and the last to describe new approach for system building in the digital film era. New system and business process, both process forge money gram on the money. Problem, inefficient manual process, legacy system. Solution: Enterprise switch to centralized data and replace legacy software, change to corporate culture and organization. Demonstrates the use of information system to streamline and redesign the business process. Illustrates needs to address and make change in culture and organization to support new system. System as planned organizational change. Structural organizational change enabled by IT. 1. Automation increases efficiency, replaces manual tasks. Rationalization of procedure streamlines standards operating procedure, often found in programs for making continuous quality improvement. Total quality management or TQM and Six Sigma. 3. Business process redesign. Analyze, simplify, and redesign business process. Reorganize workflow, combine step, eliminate repetition. Paradigm system shift. Writing nature of business. Define new business model. Change nature of organization. In this organizational change, career risk and reward. Automatic, rationalization, redesign, and paradigm shift. System as planned organizational change. Business process management or BPM. Variety of tools, methodologies to analyze, design, optimize process. Used by firm to manage business process redesign. Step in BPM. 1. Identify process for change. 2. Analyze existing process. 3. Design the new process. Next, implement the new process, and the last, continuous measurement. This is a business process for purchasing a book from a physical bookstore. This is redesign process for purchasing a book online. System as planned organizational change. Various BPM tools used to identify and document existing process, create model of improved process, capture and enforce business rules for performing automating process, integrate existing system to support process improvement, verify that new process have improved, measure impact of process change on key business performance indicator. Overview of system development. System development is activities that go into producing an information system solution to an organizational problem or opportunity. 1. System analysis. 2. System design. 3. Programming. 4. Testing. 5. Conversion. And the last, production and maintenance. This is the system development process. System analysis, system design, programming, testing, conversion, and production and maintenance. Overview of system development. System analysis. Analysis of problem to be solved by new system. Defining the problem and in the identifying cause, specifying solution, and identifying information requirement. Includes feasibility study. Is solution feasible and good investment? Is required technology skill available? System analysis. Establishing information requirement. Who needs what information, where, when, and how. Define objective of new or modified system. Detail the function new system must perform. Faulty requirement analysis is leading cause of system failure and high system development costs. System design. Describe system specification that will deliver functions identified during system analysis. Should address all managerial, organizational, and technologist components of system solution. Role of end user. User information requirement drive system building. Users must have sufficient control over design process to ensure system reflect their business priorities and information needs. The last insufficient user involvement in design efforts is major cause of system failure. The next step is design specification. Output, input, user interface, database design, processing, manual procedures, controls, security, document, conversion, training, and organizational change. Overview of system development. Programming. System specification from design stage are translated into software program code. Testing. Ensures system procedure rights result. Unit testing. Test each program in system separately. System testing. Test function of system as a whole. Acceptance testing is makes sure system is ready to be used in production setting. Test plan is all preparation for series of tests. This is a sample test plan to test or record change. Overview of system development. Conversion. Process of change for old system to new system. Four main strategies. 1. Parallel strategy. Direct crossover. Pilot strategy study. And the last phase approach. Requires end user training. Finalization of detailed documentation showing how system work from technical and user standpoint. Overview of system development, product and maintenance. System review to determine if revision needed. Might include post-implementation audit document, maintenance change in hardware, software, document, or procedure to a production system to correct errors, meet new requirements, or improve processing efficiency. This is 20% debugging emergency work, 20% change to hardware, software, data, and reporting. 60% of work, user engagement, improving documentation, recording for greater processing efficiency. The next slide about summary of system development activities. This is system analysis, description, identify problem, specify solution, and establish information requirement. System design, description is create design specification. Programming description is translate design specification into code. Testing describes is unit test, system test, and acceptance test. Conversion description is plan conversion, prepare documentation, and train user and technical staff. Production and maintenance description is operate the system, evaluate the system, and modify the system. Okay, the next slide is overview of system development. Most prominent methodologies for modeling and design system. Number 1, structured methodologies. 2, object-oriented development. Structure methodologies. Structure is techniques are step-by-step, progressive. Process-oriented is focusing on modeling, process or action that manipulate data. Separate data from process. Data flow diagram or DFD. Primary tool for representing systems, components, process, and flow of data between them. Offers logical graphic model of information flow. High-level and lower-level diagrams can be used to break process down into successive layers of detail. Data dictionary defines content of data flow and data store. Process specification describe the information occurring within lowest level of data flow diagrams. Structure card top-down card showing each level of design, relation to other level, and place in overall design structure. In this data flow diagram for mail-in university registration system. This is high-level structure card for a payroll system. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.